Alright, what's up, traders? Just had somebody come in. We're going to, I don't know if you can see in the background here, there's a fireplace there. Ignore that one. And there's a fireplace there, and you can see the scratched up floors, like the cats fucking destroy them. We just had somebody come in here kind of giving us a rundown of what we should do with the fireplace and flooring. We're going to retile it all this summer because you guys know I am going to be moving to Asia come winter time. So we're moving out of here, so we're going to have to make the place a little bit nicer. Might as well do it in the summer while we can, and then enjoy it a little bit. The chimney there is over here, chimney here, and that is going to be much better to be destroyed in the summer, so there's less rain leaking through the ceiling. Last week was such an amazing week, so we're starting off this week. The Sunday trading already over. We didn't have any trades go off, just a lot of ranging that day, but decided sun is coming out. There's gonna be a lot of camping, a lot of drinking and such, and I'm thinking, because the trading went so well with the hermit mode, we're gonna apply that to more aspects of our life here. We're gonna start doing the domino effect. One small improvement creates a chain reaction, and we're gonna improve on other things. So we're quitting drinking, we're going full health here. And hopefully if you guys want to join along, you can for the summer. Because really, you don't really need it. Kind of got to the point where, you know, alcohol doesn't really affect you too much anymore after you've just been drinking so much because of snowboarding and all these things, right? So we're just having multiple beers every day. It doesn't really do a whole lot anymore. So we might as well just quit it and see how that affects the trading game. So best of luck into this week. Let's go into it. You a little bit scared. Come on, buddy. Silas. So just got back from the gym and wanted to just talk a little bit about psyche and the effect on your happiness there. It's something that I sort of realized, the reason why I'm quitting the drinking here pretty much every freaking day. We're going out snowboarding and just having a couple drinks, and it really started to affect your psyche and everything like that, along with other things going on in the trading world and everything. So it's very difficult to keep your happiness about you, and then you start grasping for things that are external sources of happiness, and it's not true happiness anymore. So something that I kind of realized on a Shroomies trip there the other day, you know, my happiness was leaving, and it was starting to become geared from or powered by external sources of happiness, which that's not who I am. So we're getting back into meditation. We're quitting the drinking there for at least a long while, and we're just going more deeper into kind of this this pursuit for being happy, just from regular life, little things and things like that. And then that in turn is going to create a much stronger trading environment, and you're going to be able to trade much better. You guys want to make sure that you're trading for the right reason, right? You're not trading to be making money, right? And that's something I've really noticed over the years, is if I'm trying to make money at any point, I'm going to be losing money, I'm going to be forcing things, and I'm not going to be doing it properly, and then it's going to cause more psychological damage. Really what you want to do is just look to do the right action every single time, and then in turn, the money will follow. That's all I kind of wanted to say about that. What I'm going to do quickly here, we're just going to meditate here. I could record that, but essentially it's just going to look like this for you guys. So there you go, take that image and watch it forever, however long you want. That's me meditating for the next 5-10 minutes. And then we're gonna go and get a haircut and enjoy this beautiful day. So just snagged a Bitcoin long, not sure how well you can see this one. Took about half off here, just because I had to jump in the shower. I'm about to head out. Coming back, the stop is now here. Still just on those lows there. Took half off, and then we're letting the rest just run a little bit higher. Hopefully it hits it. That's Bitcoin there today. I'm gonna make a crypto trading course, how I invest in crypto, how I buy certain coins, you know, all the general crypto stuff. I'm gonna make a course and just make it real cheap or something for you guys, like $100 or some shit like this, and then, you know, a couple trading strategies or something. But I'm gonna make that pretty soon here, probably this month. Gonna head out and get a little bit of tan. You can see my skin's a bit white here. Sun's coming out, so I do need to get a little bit tanned before I start getting burned. Haven't been to a barber in like 5 years. I always go get Ash to cut my hair, so I gotta go run to her place. But that's pretty much it for the week here, guys. I got some snowboarding tomorrow, and then on Friday we're doing even more to this tattoo. You can see it's kind of bland there, right? So it's just the faces right now. We're filling it in some more on Friday, but that's basically the week. All right, I literally feel like I need to wear this too because I just came out of the tanning salon. What the fuck is this? Wait, oh god, you can't even see, like, but it's so poofy. Oh man. We're gonna go get the car cleaned up here. It's a little bit messy. Haven't cleaned it in months. Haven't been driving it too much, so we gotta go wash her. Wash the little baby girl. Little baby boy. I should call him a boy just to piss some of you guys off. Oh, you can't call your car a boy? Little Charles. Charles the green fucking jag, eh? It's British, it's a British name, Charles. That's why it's Charles. Alright, whatever. Barbara Ash. I don't know if you guys remember Mr. Bean. He lived with us for a little while. He's a big boy now. Hello. And he's having a temper tantrum because he can't go outside. But look, finally I told you guys I was getting a haircut. Now I just need to trim the beard and then we're good to go. But coming back real quick to start off the stream, guys, because 5 o'clock means stream time every day. Asia open. All right, it's nice and clean now. Woo. Nice and clean. Let's hear the baby roar. Yeah, let's do it. I had to bounce out of there real quick. I tried to take a call. Busy lady. And I am quite busy too, so I have to head home here. Should be good. I'm gonna shave this fucking beard too, or I'm gonna be fucking flip-flopped around here now, hey? Alright boys, it's been a couple weeks since I recorded some of those clips, and my place is absolutely trashed. I just don't honestly have any time whatsoever to clean up. But anyways, we're talking about self-improvement here in those past clips there, and I have been doing a number of things for just general sense of self-improvement over the past couple weeks. I have been getting outside, doing tons of activities. I'm actually decided that I'm gonna start training for a triathlon. Just, these are things, guys, I am so freaking impulsive with everything. Anytime somebody says they wanna do something, I'm saying, yes, I'm gonna do it. They're not even asking me to do it, I'll do it on my own. It's just really more, it's like kind of that yes man mentality where you just don't have a whole lot of life. So you gotta experience as much as everything you can, do as much shit as you can, as quick as you can. I'm gonna go buy a bike today so I can start training for the triathlon. These are just challenges in your life, guys. If you can challenge yourself, improve your discipline, it's gonna help you with the training world too. It's not just, you know, your diet, your exercise and things like this, but I think it's very, very underrated. It's the people you surround yourself with. Whenever there's somebody who's throwing shade, that's kind of trying to bring you down, right? That's their own insecurities, trying to make it so that they don't have to work hard themselves, so that they can keep you at their level. When I've been around these people, for example, I told somebody about the triathlon and they started making fun of me. They're like, you can't do that, right? And I was like, well, that's the whole point. Like, I'm gonna be crap now, that's why I'm trying to improve, so I can actually do it as a challenge for myself. And then I realized this person's terrible. This person has no motivation for their life anymore, so I don't want them in my life. So I cut them, right? And that's what I've been doing. Anybody who's throwing shade, that's not an uplifting, positive person, that's not just there to reinforce your improvement, don't want them in your life. And just doing that has made absolutely remarkable happiness changes. I'm meeting great brand new people. Georgie, stop eating the plant. Made me start to think about this community, and I know my channel there, we've made a lot of like making fun of other Forex YouTubers, right? And it's because I think their strategies are crap, and they're just trying to get the views, and they're not actually trying to teach you anything. They don't really know much, and that's why we're kind of making fun of them. But I realized I need a gear shift, right? And if I'm throwing shade like that, then it's going to make me less happy, right? Even though it's basically what I'm doing is when I make fun of somebody, it's for jokes, and then it gets more views. And so I'm basically doing the exact same thing that I'm essentially making fun of, just in a different means. And so I'm probably going to be growing at a slower rate for not doing these, you know, funny, like making fun of type videos, but I'm going to try to be much more positive. I'm still going to make these videos where I react to things, but I want to come across in a very uplifting way and more helpful. And that's more for my own happiness, and hopefully it kind of throws some light and inspires some people as well to kind of focus on just the positive things in life, because it's absolutely unreal. Just a couple of weeks completely focusing, not drinking, freaking just exercising, sleeping, eating perfectly, has in a couple of weeks completely changed. I went from a completely depressed state to Probably the happiest I've ever been in my life. So that's all I really wanted to say about this video here, guys. I mean, let's jump into some sort of charts or something for the week here so that you guys can kind of see what's going on now. That's all I have to say. Let's best of luck, everybody. Much love.